everyone. I am Kelly Schaffner and welcome to my channel. Today I have a trend send to share with you, so I am pleased that you are joining me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please be certain to subscribe and ring that bell so you will be notified every single time I publish a video, and I make videos all about women's clothing and fashion. So if that's your cup of tea, you're in the right place. Be certain to subscribe and join me again for future videos. Today, I am so excited to get into this trend send box, and TRENDSEND, in a nutshell, is a service that's offered by the company Evereve. And Evereve is a women's apparel store, and they have that store nationwide, but it is not in my city. So luckily for me, they will send me a box with 3 outfits in it for me to try on at home. And I love TRENDSEND. There is 0 styling fee. Yeah, I love that. I do have a referral link below. If you use my referral link, you will find out everything that you want to know about TRENDSEND, but by using my link, I receive 20% off my box. So thank you, ladies. I have had a discount on every box in the last 6 months, and I can't thank you enough for your help. That really helps support the Kelly Schaffner channel. It also keeps me wearing very stylish clothing, so thank you, ladies. The stylist puts together 3 outfits. I don't have to think about how to put these outfits together. There's a very thoughtful stylist note included in every box, and I have 5 days, I believe. 5 days to try this on and return anything that I don't want. Postage is free both ways with TRENDSEND. I will tell you before I open this box, TRENDSEND does have some pricier items. They also have very high quality clothing, but the prices on TRENDSEND can be a little pricey. So I always ask to have sale items included in my box. That happens sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. So I hope this box is full of sales items. Let's crack it open. This is what my box looks like. There are 3 bundles in here, as well as a note from my stylist, and there's actually a little handwritten note here that says, Kelly, I hope you enjoy my stylist notes. And it appears my stylist is Tiffany C. this time to share the bundles with you. I have 2, 3 bundles. We have 3 bundles here, and they enclosed a mailer as well. Let's break into the clothing. Bundle number 1. Oh my goodness, this looks beautiful. This is a top by Allison Joy. This is, oh my gosh, it's on sale. It's on sale for $19.99, and I get 20% off that. Okay, this is Allison Joy. I'm excited. Ooh, we have, okay. This is a cold shoulder, which I love a cold shoulder. It's a long sleeve coral blouse. We have a ruffle, which I'm not crazy about ruffles on my chest, but look, that's an asymmetrical ruffle, and it goes all the way down the sleeve. Oh, that is so interesting. There's a keyhole in the back. Do we have a high-low? There's a little cutout there on the side. Wow. I like the way that this looks. Next up, we have 7 for All Mankind. These are the high waist ankle skinny by 7 from All Mankind, and there is a little distressing through the thigh area. There is very little distressing on the back of them. They're very clean without holes, and we have a clean finished hem, so I like that. These are regular price $159, so we'll have to see what my discount brings it down to, but 7 for All Mankind is fabulous. There's stretch in these, but these are really a nice denim, and I love that these are high waist. I am loving high-waisted denims right now. My stylist note says, the Nikki open shoulder top is a great top for summer. It has the shoulders out, so it really highlights your arms and is a fun, bright color. The high waist ankle skinny is a great pant for any season. I think you will love how the 7 for All Mankind fits, and I do like the way they fit. They can be paired with a tee or a nice top to wear out. Throw on your heart layered necklace from a previous box and a neutral sandal, and you're good to go. Bundle number 2. What do we have here? Look at this. This is Peyton Jensen. This is a blazer style jacket by Peyton Jensen. This is so lovely. Okay, I don't like that it's not lined. So I hope the price reflects a jacket without lining. It has elbow patches on it. That's a nice little touch. And the cuffs have that nice detail there. This is adorable. It's got the single button there. It's got pockets. Oh my goodness. I hope this works for me. I am immediately drawn toward this jacket. I really like this jacket. Okay, she has paired that with a chaser tank. This is pretty nice. You guys, these chaser tanks, they feel amazing. Like this would make a super pillowcase. This is really soft, so it's very simple, just white with the gray piping around the arms and the neckline, so I like that. We have a pair of gray Articles for Society, and these are just a skinny gray jean. These are very nice. I like them. They're very clean, but yet we do have the raw hem, and they're just a skinny pant. What are they called? Let's see. Doesn't say. Articles of Society. They are $64 regular price. I really don't know if I need another pair of gray pants. I ordered some gray pants from Evereve, but these feel pretty soft, and I like Articles of Society. I have a few pairs of them, but I'm really excited to put that whole outfit together. Stylist note on that one says, this Harper blazer, it is a blazer, is perfect for business conferences. It seems a little casual to me, but it says you could wear it with a nicer top and black dress, or wear it a little more casual to work. It's a great color that will transition well into fall also. The blocked jersey tank is a nice tee that you can throw on with any outfit and dress it up or down. It will highlight your arms as well. The Sarah's ankle skinny has a new fun raw hem and is non-distressed, so it can be dressed up for work. They look great as well at church with a nice colorful top. Take the blazer off and throw on a sneaker for a nice weekend out. Okay. Bundle number 3, Moms Can Change the World. Okay, the first thing I see is a t-shirt. Oh, it's tied to, I believe, a cardigan. But this is a tee. It's got a cuffed arm or a rolled arm there. And this tee is by Sanctuary. This tee is $49.99, and a camo tee with a V-neck, no pocket. And I'm good on camo tanks. I really am. This is a little bit darker camo color, it looks more army than anything I have, but I think I'm good on camo shirts, but I'm gonna try this on. And Sanctuary is an excellent brand, and I normally like their products. So, okay, this, guys, I'm super excited about. This is a cardigan. Who is this by? Sunday in Brooklyn. And look at this color. This is Kelly Mustard Yellow. Oh, this is a beautiful, lightweight, very lightweight belted cardigan. So I am so excited to try this on. What's the price on this? $68. So hopefully with my discount, I can afford this, and it's gonna look marvelous on me because this I love. Next up are a pair of deep dark green Articles of Society, or a nice, just a dark green pair of pants. And these pants remind me of the Cut from the Cloth Mia skinnies I just picked up a couple weeks ago. They're that same deep dark green color, and I love them. I'm going to try them on, but it is not likely I am going to keep them because I really don't need 2 pair of pants that are so similar. But let's hear what the stylist says about this last outfit. She says, I have found the camo tee you love. It's on sale, and I went ahead and sent it before we sold out of it. It looks great with the mustard color. I know you love yellow, so I have sent a darker yellow for fall that would look great for work, church services, or dinner. I have also sent the Sarah ankle skinny in a different color to give you some options for fall for a great price. Throw on the neutral sandal and bootie in the fall. Very good idea. I am in so much trouble. This is the first time I have ever wanted to buy every single item in a Trendsend box. Yeah, Tiffany, you did a great job styling me. I have no idea if she watches my videos, but this has been the best box I have ever received. You have seen the prices, and I am looking at the prices right now. And again, thank you to the ladies that have used my referral link because I have a 20% discount. So the total of this box is $483.98, and that is with a discount. So it's a pretty pricey box, even on sale, but let's talk about each piece. These 7 for All Mankind denim, they are $159 a regular price, and my price for them is $127.20. These are an expensive pair of denim. 7 for All Mankind is never cheap. So to be able to pick them up for $127, I really want to snap these up. Let me know if you think they didn't look good on me, because they feel amazing. So anytime you put on an amazing pair of denims, you want to buy them, right? Or am I the only person that wants to do that? Because these feel so good, and that's a really nice discount. So I'm leaning towards keeping the 7 for All Mankind. Now this little top, the shoulder ruffle top, this was originally $68, marked down to $49, marked down to $29, and my price on this is $15.99. I like this blouse. The sleeves were a little bit long for me, but other than that, I really liked it. For $15.99, I think that is a steal. Thinking about picking this one up as well. This chaser tee, I really want to keep it. The regular price on this chaser tee is $48. The price on this tee is $38.40. I want to keep it because it is so incredibly soft, and because I don't have anything like this with the gray piping around the arms and the neckline, and I think it's a nice basic piece. It will get a lot of wear, and it feels amazing. Articles of Society. I am surprised I like these as much as I do. I own denim, blue denim Articles of Society, and I have never tried them in color. So she sent the gray and the dark green, and I like both of them. The gray, they call this the Honolulu. Regular price is $64, and my price is $51.20. These feel really lightweight. I don't wear a whole lot of gray jeans, and I have picked up the gray jeans I do own from Evereve. Hey guys, this is the item that I need help with. This is the Peyton Jensen jacket, and the regular price on this jacket is $128. It is they call it the Harper Blazer, and this is denim fabric. This feels like a denim jacket with a different type of cut on it. I love it. I don't have any jacket in this color, and I think I would wear it a lot. It's $102 with my discount, but that is still pretty pricey. What did you think about this jacket? It's got a lot of stretch in it too, so it was incredibly comfortable. I want this jacket. I want this jacket. This Sanctuary tee in camo is regular price $59. It's marked down to $49, and my price is $39.99. And guys, I don't need this. It feels really nice. I don't think it feels any better than the 4 camo tees that I own already. I don't know why my stylist thought. I think I am wanting camo pants. I have had a very difficult time finding camo pants. So maybe she had that confused. I don't need a camo tee, but this is a great price. If I needed one, I would get this one. It's comfortable, it's roomy, but I don't need that. So this is the one thing I can send back and feel great about sending this one back because I don't need that. And then next up, we have another pair of Articles of Society, the color denim. These are the deep green. The color on this one is called Springfield. And these are $54.40 my price, and the regular price is $68. And I told you, these remind me of a pair of pants I just bought. But these are lighter weight. When I put them on, I could tell that they were a lighter fabric than the cut from the cloth Mia Skinny jeans that I got in this same color. But you know what? The truth is, I don't need these. I really liked the fit of these pants, Articles of Society. So if you are looking for a deep green colored Denim, Articles of Society. Ask your stylist from TRENDSEND to send these because these are really nice. But again, I can safely send these back and know that I have something very, very similar. And then, okay, the last item, guys. I'm torn on this piece. I love the color of this piece. This is the Nicola Belted Wrap Cardigan in Mustard. This is by Sunday in Brooklyn. My price is $54.40. The regular price is $68. I am afraid to let this get away from me, especially at that sale price. But this is a cotton polyester, I should say this is a polyester cotton blend, and this feels like a polyester sweater, which is not my favorite. I really want a mustard colored sweater. I would love to have a chunky kind of yarn feeling cardigan. So this does not fit the bill. This is very lightweight. And I'll tell you another thing, I'm not sure about the belt. Belts get in the way, and it didn't stay tied shut as nice as I would like for it to. I love this cardigan. I have to sleep on this cardigan because I'm inclined to buy it, but there are some things about it that do not make it a 5-star cardigan for me. Really and truly, this is my final thoughts. I think I will keep the Harper Blazer. I think I should keep the Cold Shoulder. This is such a great price. I want to keep this Chaser Tee. I really like the Chaser Tee, the 7 for All Mankind. I can't beat the price anywhere. I like these and the cardigan. I mean, should I keep it? I don't know. I really don't know. That's where I need your help. What do you guys think about the items I am going to? Can't wait to hear what you have to say about the items that I received. Again, if you want to try a TRENDSEND, please use my referral link. It's in the description box below, and it hooks you up, and it certainly hooks me up. So thank you again for this generous discount that you have given me by using my link. And guess what time it is? It's thumbs up time. If you have not given this video a thumbs up by pushing the like button, please do that now. I have a video coming out for you, I promise, in a couple days. I am going to film that haul. It is a massive haul. So be on the lookout for that one, okay? Guys, until we meet again, blessings to all of you.